This is a metaphor representing the unfathomably massive, constantly growing volume of data your business is collecting every day. It's hard to integrate, it's underutilized, in different formats, different sources, and in silos spread far and wide. And that's not helping anybody. So what if you had a platform that allowed you to see your data in an entirely new way, as one, from micro to macro, one view across your organization, making it easy to analyze and transform your data into the answers you need? That's Vantage from Teradata. Vantage is the only software platform that brings together 100% of your data, regardless of scale, to help you see connections you couldn't see before. Combined with analytics, tools, and machine learning to arrive at real answers you can use to make decisions that have a real impact on your business. We call that Pervasive Data Intelligence, and it's going to change the way you do business. So what kind of answers are we talking about? This telco uses Vantage to compare signal and complaint data to identify a minor adjustment on a cell tower. The answer to improve customer service was 2 degrees down and a 4 decibel decrease in power. This hospital is using path analytics on patient risks, satisfaction, and follow-through on their health regimen to reduce the risk of heart failure and save lives. This bank used AI techniques like gradient boosting to identify fraud patterns and were able to increase detection rates by 5 times. Only Vantage allows you to see 100% of your data, give you the agility to simplify your analytics ecosystem, eliminate costly silos, reduce risk, and transform the data you have into the answers you need.